Do you want to produce ecological bricks? Sahara Technology has great news for you. We are talking about our newest release, FUTURA, the Hydraulic Ecological Brick Press, the machine that will guarantee your future. You can make high-quality ecological bricks due to hydraulic compaction and no work force by the operator. But the feature key is the possibility of producing not only different models of bricks, but also by changing the molds, you can make different sizes. Have you ever imagined produce a 12.5 by 25 cm or a 15 by 30 cm ecological brick on the same equipment? Or a decoration slab and paver with a superb hydraulic system without spending a lot of money nor making a physical effort like a manual press, but also with a very easy-to-go mobility that allows you to take it to the building site because a very small air compressor is enough. I told you, this is the machine of the future. So, what are you waiting for? Get in touch with Sahara Technology now. Clicking on the first link in the description will send us a message to our WhatsApp, and our technical consultants will give you all the information regarding the equipment. By the way, follow us on social media to be the first one to know when new updates come around. FUTURA Transformer, the machine of the future.